In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AliReviews on Shopify. We'll go step by step from installing the app to customizing how it looks and finally importing reviews into your store. By the end, you'll have a working review section on your product pages that matches your brand. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and look at the search bar at the top of the page. Click into that search bar and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the app search field, type AliReviews. You should see the AliReviews app appear in the search results. Click on it, then click the install button and follow the prompts to complete the installation. When the app asks you to choose a pricing plan, you can start with the free plan so you can test everything out before upgrading. Once the app is installed, you'll be guided to set up your brand kit. This is where you make sure the review section looks consistent with the rest of your store. Adjust your brand colors to match your Shopify theme, choose the border style you prefer, and upload your brand logo if you have one ready. While you're making changes, keep an eye on the live preview on the right-hand side of the screen. This shows you exactly how your review widget will appear to customers. When you're happy with the look, click next to move on. Now it's time to customize the review widget itself. Start by choosing your rating icon style. The default is a classic star, but you can switch to a thin star, a rounded star, a circle, and other options depending on your branding. Then choose the layout for the review box. You can display reviews as a simple list, a grid, or a slider that customers can scroll through. Again, watch the preview on the right to see which layout feels best for your store. When you're satisfied, click Next. Next, you'll install the review widget on your store. Select which Shopify theme you want to use, then decide which page you want the review box to appear on, such as your product page. Click Add Review Box. This will open your Shopify theme editor, where you'll see a preview of the review section added to your page. Make sure it's positioned where you want it. Then click Save. Click on that section in the editor, look at the left-hand panel and choose Manage App. This will bring you back into the AliReviews onboarding flow. Click Finish to complete setup. Now you're ready to import reviews. Inside AliReviews, click Import Reviews. On the right-hand panel, select the product or products you want to attach reviews to, then click Import Reviews. The app will use AI to suggest an AliExpress product URL. If the suggested URL doesn't match your product, click Change URL. You can pick another suggested product or paste in the correct AliExpress URL manually, then click Add to confirm. Once everything looks good, click Import Reviews to start pulling them in. When the import is finished, you can preview how those reviews look on your product page. If you are happy with the result, click Publish, and your reviews will go live on your store.